Hey planner babes, it's Mandy from Create with Mandy, and I'm here today to unbox my next squad box. I'm so excited. I did open it up because I had to take out one thing, but I am really excited to share with you what I got and show you. So let's go ahead and open it up. So here we go. Bubble wrap, which is recyclable. Just check right here. Says plastic film, store, drop off, and deflate before recycling. So I always deflate it, and then I take it to my grocery store, which has a recycle bin out front, specifically for like grocery bags, but this is what it means as a store drop off. Okay, so the first thing is a planner pouch. Let me go ahead and just take everything out first, but that is what's on top. And also in the package, we have a Happy Planner sticker, and I'll tell you about that as soon as I get this off the desk. Okay, so here is everything. And I guess I'll first tell you that these die cut stickers are gonna come in all of the packages or whatever that you get from the Happy Planner. So if you order anything from their website, they're just now starting to include this cute sticker, and I'm gonna put it on my water bottle. I'm really excited. It's really cute. Let me open it up because I haven't gotten it. So it's like a freebie. Yeah, so it's a freebie that you get from the Happy Planner when you order from their website. So it's really nice. It's like matte finish. It's not glossy. Really cute. Okay, now into the unboxing. So the first thing on top is this really cute pouch. And so let me first start by saying that this is all the Disney Princess line. So that's really exciting. I love this pouch. I love that it's pretty like, not neutral, but like it's not screaming Disney princess. Like, I really enjoy this, that it's subtle. So it's got this dark blue, a really light baby blue here, and then white with looks like navy or black stripes. Really nice gold detail. And I like that these are there. These are new. I haven't seen these on the other planner pouches or storage pouches. But that's really cool if you want to clip on stuff to the outside. And there's one on the other side as well. And so let's take a look at the inside and see if there's anything different. So here's the left side. You have this main pocket here, perfectly fit a planner. You have two like detachable little bags with zippers. And then the other side, get a zippered pouch over here, and then a stretchy part here with a zipper as well. Cute. So the insides are the same as before. So that is the Disney Princess storage pouch. So let me first go ahead and say that this Disney Princess collection is only going to be available in Walmart. So Walmart.com is going to have this starting November 1st, and then it's going to be in stores starting on November 16th. And this will not be on the Happy Planner website, unfortunately. So really sorry about that. So here we go. Let me go ahead and open this box with all the goodies inside. And let me go ahead and probably take it out. But anyway, this box is super cute. You're made of magic. Oh, so cute. And then here's more details. So launching 11/1 on Walmart.com and in stores on the 16th. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. I feel like I should probably take this stuff out. Okay, well, let's just keep rolling here. Okay, so the first thing is a planner companion. I'm really excited about this. So planner companions are great. It's a folder itself, and then inside is a bunch of goodies. So you get the storage folder itself, vision boards, dry erase board, note paper, plastic envelopes, a pocket folder, more plastic envelopes, and then a gummed paper pad. So everything in this box, I'm going to be going ahead and doing a flip through of more detail. So go ahead and check out those videos if you want to see more detail on me opening this up and stuff. Next is, let's do stickers because us planner babes love our stickers. So this first one is 607 pieces, princess line. It's called Once Upon a Time. And I think this is the one that I've seen a lot of people have, and they've been able to find it at Walmart. So this one I think people know about. But this one, on the other hand, I have not seen anybody have. It's 1,155 pieces. It's called Princess Plans, and it's 60 pages, you guys. 60 pages. Here's a normal sticker book. Here is that 60-page book. How amazing. So, double the stickers, obviously. So that's really exciting. I will flip through this in a separate video, so check that out. Next is the planner, and so the squad got to choose which planner they wanted, and so I chose this one. It has Tiana, Ariel, and Aurora on it. Super cute. It's like this really dark teal. It's got teal discs, and it's a dashboard layout. So there are 4 different princess planners, 4 different ones. They all have different princesses on the front, just like this though. They have a different color and discs, and then the layouts, I forget, but there's one dashboard, which is the one I have. There's one color block, and there's 2 verticals. So if you have a preference of layout, you'll have to pick your princesses that match or whatever. So again, I'll flip through this in a separate video. And then look how cute this is. I don't think I've ever seen like a box kit in a mini. I don't know. Maybe I haven't been looking or whatever, but this is so cute. Like, just that it's a mini. So, all right. So this is a 12-month dated planner, dashboard layout, and this is the planner that matches this one. So they are the same, but mini in classic sized. So all the insides are the same, but I will flip through this one along with this in a separate video. And so let's look and see what's inside of here. So you get your planner, obviously, one snap-in bookmark with Ariel on it, some sticky notes, an envelope, that's nice, your planner, and 82 stickers. And then here are the dividers. So that is really, really cute. Wow. I'm like trying to think about what I'm going to use this for. Anyway, so that is the Disney Princess mini planner dashboard layout. And so that is it, you guys. So I got that, the classic planner, 2 sticker books. One of them has 60 pages. The planner companion accessories, and the planner storage tote, plus that freebie that's going to come in all of your Happy Planner orders from thehappyplanner.com. So that is it, you guys. I'm going to probably link down below the links to the other videos where I'm going to go really in depth with everything and flip through. So I'm excited to see you over there, and yeah, I'll go ahead and see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.